Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling real, specific material, notes, anecdotes, and unique facts you own. Once done, decide the voice and pacing you want. Make it consistent so the piece feels intentional. Then plan structural edits, outlines, varied sentence lengths, and purposeful imperfections to break uniformity. Make sure to keep clear records of sources and your own contributions, because you will use them to blend AI output into a genuinely authored final draft. You now reshape the text. Prioritize rewriting whole paragraphs rather than tweaking words. Explain why each point matters with domain-specific details and your own perspective. Mix short, punchy sentences with longer explanatory ones to create a natural rhythm. Once you add concrete examples, dates, or numbers, the content reads as grounded and informed. Make sure to remove generic phrasing. Replace it with observations only you could make. So you finish by proofreading aloud and checking facts. Ensure clarity and consistent style. Then harmonize headings, examples, and tone so the document reads as one authored work. Once complete, document the edits you made, what you added, changed, or removed so the provenance is transparent. If something seems off, revise the problematic sections and recheck facts. This single troubleshooting step catches most issues and secures the integrity and quality of your final content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.